Hi, I'm Jay Swearingen with Winnebago Industries, and today we're going to talk about how to operate your Power Gear Slideout. We're going to be operating the bedroom Slideout on this particular coach. The first thing you want to do is set your park brake and start the engine. The engine needs to be running to ensure you have proper voltage to run the room. Now there's been some question about how long to hold the switch down after the Slideout stops moving, and I'm going to demonstrate that. So now what I'm going to do is run the bedroom Slideout, and I'm going to hold the button down while the room is going out, continuing to hold the button. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold the button until the room stops making noise. Just continue to hold it. You will not damage anything. The system has an amp limit and it will shut off all by itself. I'm still holding the button. I let go. You can hold the button down until the room stops making noise. Now I will demonstrate that on the way in also, retracting the room. Push the in button, the room is coming in. I'm continuing to hold the button. The room is still coming in. I'm still holding the button. The room is still coming in. The room stopped making noise. I'm still holding the button. The system automatically shuts the room off. You're not going to damage anything. I let go.